these systems are safe, reliable, and fair. Otherwise, people will be hesitant to embrace AI's full potential.
Section 4. Trust, the missing piece in the AI puzzle. Trust is a fundamental element in any relationship, whether it's between people or between humans and technology. Trust is like that friend who always has your back. It's the glue that holds relationships together, providing a sense of security and reliability. It's essential for any relationship, and that includes our relationship with technology. Without trust, we hesitate to embrace new innovations and advancements. But building trust in AI is like building a house of cards in a windstorm. It's a delicate process that requires careful attention and effort. It's fragile and easily broken. One misstep, and the entire structure can come tumbling down, leading to skepticism and fear.
So how do we fix this? First, we need transparency. People need to understand how AI systems make decisions. Companies developing AI need to be upfront about how their algorithms work. No more black boxes. Second, we need accountability. Developers and companies must be held responsible for the outcomes of their AI systems. When AI systems cause harm, there should be clear consequences. This ensures that developers prioritize safety and ethics, fostering a trustworthy environment for AI to thrive.
Section 5. Building a better AI transparency and trust. In this section, we delve into the critical aspects of transparency and trust in AI development. These are not just buzzwords, they are the foundation upon which the future of AI must be built.
Listen, I'm not saying we should throw the AI baby out with the bathwater. We need to recognize the immense potential AI holds for innovation and progress. AI has the potential to do a lot of good in the world, from fighting climate change to curing diseases. Imagine a world where AI helps us find sustainable solutions to our most pressing problems. But for AI to reach its full potential, we need to address these ethical concerns head-on. This means having open and honest conversations about the implications of AI. We need to build AI systems that are fair, transparent, and accountable. This involves rigorous testing, continuous monitoring, and a commitment to ethical standards. And most importantly, we need to rebuild public trust in this powerful technology. Trust is earned through transparency and consistent ethical behavior. Because at the end of the day, AI should be working for us, not the other way around. It should enhance our lives, making tasks easier and more efficient, while respecting our values and privacy.